Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings here. Want to learn how to get this look? It's quick and easy. I'm going to walk you through step by step, so keep on watching. It was white. I cleaned it. I put on 1 coat of white slick stick, and then my second coat of slick stick, I tinted it just slightly with Peacock. So you can see how slightly I tinted it. I just put a little bit of Peacock in, this is Peacock, yeah. A little bit of Peacock in my slick stick, so now I got this little baby blue, which is much easier to cover than that bright white. So let's go ahead. So this has been prepped with slick stick because, like I said, this is an IKEA desk. It's MDF, heavy as can be, because it's not real wood. Usually if a piece is really, really heavy, it's probably not real wood. So this is not real wood. So I think I'm gonna take this drawer out all the way and just do that like a little spray technique. And I'm experimenting, so I'm gonna experiment with you guys. I'm just going to drizzle the colors on here that I kind of like, and I'm gonna shoot them with water, and we'll see what happens. So let's have fun, let's play, because I may as well experiment on my pieces so that you guys can get some ideas. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I paint over it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to take this drawer out, and we're gonna pull it down, the camera down. So let me get my colors out. Let's get a little bit of Mermaid Tail. I'm gonna get some on these plates. Mermaid Tail, it's pretty green. This is Peacock, right here, Peacock. I'm gonna pour some of that on here too. I'm gonna be drizzling with a popsicle stick. We'll get some Gold Digger. I'm not gonna dump out the Gold Digger. I'm gonna go right out of the container. I'm gonna do the Gold Digger because I think that'd be kind of neat if we had Gold Digger through here. There is Gold Digger, gorgeous. Okay, and I'm gonna do some Fluff. And Fluff I'll probably do with a brush. So let me get the Fluff out. Fluff is just white. There we go. Okay, here is my plan. Okay, let's play. Now I'm gonna get some popsicle sticks, and I'll probably be doing some brushing. Mermaid Tail is in the middle, so let me get some Mermaid Tail, and I'm gonna just drizzle it on here. And then let's drizzle some of the Fluff. I'm gonna bring it closer. I'm gonna drizzle some Fluff. I'm gonna try to shoot these colors together. And then when it starts to dry, I'll be putting the Gold Digger on there, and I plan on doing gold leaf and stuff in the legs. I'm gonna blend the rest of the body. I just want to play and experiment with this door. Okay, so I'm splattering this paint kind of all over, making sure it kind of gets all over the place, and then I'm gonna shoot it with water. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so I think this is looking really cool. And I might, once it starts drying a little bit, I might drag it even a little bit more. I wonder if I drag this, what it'll do. See, I'm not scared to play because of the fact that it is a practice piece. Okay, I'm gonna dump this just a little bit. Let's see what happens when I dump it a little bit. I'm just getting some of that water off. Actually, this is gonna be able to dry just fine. Okay, I dumped that all the extra water off. You can see all the drips. See, look at that. Gonna be pretty. All those, look at the veins down there on that side. I like the center the best. Okay, well there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. It's quick and easy. I hope you give it a try. If you do, share pictures with me over at AJ's Vintage Designs on Facebook, and I'd love to see your projects. Quick and easy paint pour. Once again, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs and Fashion Toppings. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that little bell down below so that way you're notified every time I put a video up. Okay, well I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day.